Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Al Furqan TV. I am Kaisa.
And I am Abia. Today is a special day because we celebrate English Arabic Day. We are from English Club.
Our theme today is learning Hajj together. Today, we will learn English, Arabic, and Islamic values.
Let's begin!
Let's learn vocabularies about Hajj. Makkah, Makkah. Hajj, Haji. Pilgrim, Jamaah Umrah. Tawaf, mengelilingi Ka'bah. Sa'i, berlari-lari kecil dari Bukit Safa ke Marwah. Arafah, tempat merenung diri manusia. Mina, tempat nginap manusia untuk nanti melontarnya jumrah. Musdalifah, tempat perbanyak doa dan perkumpulan kerikil. Talbiyah, bacaan talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la syarika laka labbaik, innal hamda wal ni'mata laka wal mulk la syarika lak. Thank you guys.
Welcome to Makkah. First, wear your ihram.
Now, they're gonna sing Talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la syarika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la syarika lah. Excellent. Now they're performing tawaf. They are walking around the Kaabah.
Very good. Now, let's go to Safa and Marwah. Welcome to Safa and Marwah. Here, the students are going to do Sa'i from Safa to Marwah. Wonderful! Tomorrow on Thursday, all students will practice Manasik Hajj at school. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
It's time for quiz time. Question number 1. How many times do pilgrims perform tawaf? How many times do pilgrims perform tawaf?
7.
And the right answer is 7. Question number 2. Where do pilgrims stay on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah? Where do pilgrims stay on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah?
Arafah,
Question number 3. What do male pilgrims wear during Hajj?
ihram.
What do Muslims say during tawaf?
Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la syarika laka labbaik, innal hamda wal ni'mata laka wal mulk la syarika lak.
And the right answer is labbaik Allahumma labbaik or talbiyah.
Today we have learned many new English and Arabic words.
Tomorrow and Thursday, our friend will practice Manasik Hajj here at Al Furqan School. Don't miss it.
Learning English is fun. See you tomorrow. Bye.